Welcome back to the channel. I hear there's a car show. I literally just found out, so I'm about to head to that. You guys should stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is the NSX. Lovely car. I don't know what red this is, but it's red with black. I like the combination. And then we have the Chrysler, the SRT. This thing sounds amazing with a mad exhaust. I think it's just been wrapped up in sprayed with the nice rims on. I actually like the shade of rims. I think it's like gunmetallic silver or something like that. But anyways, guys, thumbs up.
We're waiting for it to warm up a bit. We're waiting for it to warm up a bit.
We open up this place. Let there be success, increase, abundance, prosperity. In Jesus' name. Amen.
This guy understands the car. You can't tell me otherwise, man. Same dude from the Drift Hunters when he used the Scat Pack to drift, and then the same car but was white back then. This is why we have track 11. Look.
When I'm stopping, why this guy, what is this? F80, F3 stage 1. Stage 1. With a banner. Will it be a rolling one? Will it be a stagnant one? Everybody else.